In this report, we answer the question, is Bangkok back to normal yet? Bangkok, Thailand is completely open to foreigners now, but is it back to normal? So we jumped on an airplane to answer this question. Bangkok immigration experience. We flew into Bangkok, Thailand, and immigration only asked us one question. How long will you be staying in Thailand? I replied, we have a flight out of Thailand in 27 days, but we'll probably ask immigration for a 30-day extension. Immigration asked no other questions. There were no forms to fill out. They stamped our passports, giving us 29 days in Thailand with no further questions. Immigration asked us for nothing else. They did not ask for vaccination cards. They did not ask for an antigen or a PCR test. They did not ask for proof of onward flights. They didn't even ask where we were staying. They just smiled, stamped our passport, and said, "Welcome to Thailand." That made us wonder, is Bangkok back to normal? In this video, we'll show you what Bangkok looks like now that Thailand is finally completely open again. No vaccines, no COVID tests are required for entry into Thailand. After showing you around Bangkok, we'll take you to the southern islands of Thailand in future videos. Taking the big water taxi before. This is the first time taking like a neighborhood one.
Yeah. Number 5.
Yeah, we're Pampa, number 5.
Number 5. Oh, cool. And we go to 𝗏𝗏 Bridge.
Where?
𝗏𝗏 Bridge is
You sure?
MBK.
Okay. Oh yeah, MBK. We just got off the boat here. This is the MBK stop, which is where we're headed today. Bangkok has a bunch of public transportation. We're walking to MBK. Chung wants to do a little shopping. And we were on that boat you saw, and we're just right when you get off the boat, look above us. There's a huge rail above the city. You can go almost anywhere with buses and rails and water taxis. And it's much cheaper than Grab. Here's MBK. They love these sort of things in Asia. Tall animals. This is MBK Mall. It's over, I would guess, 500 small shops. So we finished all of our shopping, mainly Watson's. And then we went on Google and we're at MBK Center. We'll take the 47 and jump off at Coastline Road and get something to eat. Here's the 47 bus. When you're on the bus, you just watch Google and it'll tell you which stop. The blue line, you follow it. The bus where you are and get off where it tells you to get off and walk the rest of the way. I left the United States 15 years ago. Since then, I've lived in or visited 67 different countries. I have over 800 videos and 200 written reports that answer the question, where can you live a better life overseas on less money, and how do I pay for it? Visit vagabondbuddha.com to see what resources we have available.
Tea with milk. Tea with milk.
She's getting a milk tea.
Tea,
nice.
tea.
Yeah, very nice.
Thai tea.
40 baht.
40 baht.
Oh, okay.
So it's like
Smell good.
$1.05 or something.
I can smell the tea right now.
Yeah, Thai tea,
Very
man.
good. Oh, they make the milk. We just finished our massage.
Yeah.
And the massage is 250 baht for 1 hour. The Thai massage, which is dry one. You change their clothes, they massage you with their hands, so no oil. This is the first time then go to the massage center with me.
Yeah, first time. I've been Thai massage, but that was years ago.
Yeah, you're not fan of massage.
Yeah, I'm not a big massage person, but they really kicked our ass good. At least me. I was massaged once at school where they were training people, and it was about the same as that. Really strong. Just really getting in there.
And you fall asleep.
Yeah, it's relaxing. You have to learn how to exhale when they're pushing really hard.
Oh yeah.
It releases the pain that way.
Yeah.
Bangkok easily ranks in the top 5 places in the world for us to retire cheap in paradise with amazing food, culture, shopping, and nightlife. Check below for our ranking of the top 15 places in the world. Okay, Kosan Road walking area. For this 4-day visit to Bangkok, we decided to show you around the Kosan Road area of Bangkok. But we prefer a more chill street just a few blocks away from Kosan Road, which I have a Google map so you can walk our favorite streets, and then we'll show you some of the best nearby restaurants and a mall you can get to by water taxi, all from Kosan Road.
They have all the curry here, and they can make for you vegetarian for 70 baht. 𝗙𝗪, when you come here, you have to have a 𝗙𝗪. It's like my name Chang, huh?
Yeah,
if you cannot pronounce 𝗙𝗪.
𝗙𝗪 beer.
It's good.
Is it clam or something?
Yeah, it's a shell, it's a clam.
Oh, it's shellfish. Mine is Penang tofu and rice. $1.80.
This is my pad thai. I choose vegetarian so then can have some. This is the chai pad thai.
Vegetarian.
Vegetarian. It's 40 baht, 40 baht.
So like $1.10.
Yeah. We are in this morning market. They are open like from 7 o'clock to 3 o'clock. And this surrounding by all the food cart, which is I can have my food and then also can have his food.
Oh yeah.
This is good Thai food.
This is good pad thai.
Oh god, we pay 150 baht for pad thai in the restaurant, and this and doesn't taste like pad thai. But this one,
This one's very good. Local
a
food.
local food. This noodle soup is I craving for so long. Let me get my first noodle soup. Oh, it's so good. It's been waiting for so long. It's so good. It's 40 baht. Good. I miss this so much. This one, take away. What? The convenience here. I like this. Yeah, it's a gravy inside. 70 baht.
It's the Thai Kings. It's the most recent one that the father of the present king is on away. And this is the present king with his wife.
And I like some pepper.
Chili flake, yeah. Nice little tofu chips in there. And the verdict?
50 baht.
50 baht. Wow. $1.20, $1.25, something like that. Very nice. Now the pad thai that we just ordered today, I would say is better than the pad thai we had yesterday. Just down the street here, it was 3 times as much.
This restaurant pad thai is
Restaurant.
150 baht, and right now we're eating 50 baht pad thai.
So it's 1/3 the cost, and it tastes better. And that's not unusual in Southeast Asia. It's sort of like they want to play. If a place is pretty, they can charge you more, but the food doesn't have to be better. It's just when a Westerner walks by, they go, that place looks safe to eat in, and so they go pay 3 times as much. But it's not always true that it's better. In fact, more often than not, you go to a place like this, a little neighborhood place with grandma making the food, and it is better. We both agree this pad thai is much better. So this is where we just had our late lunch after our massage. It's called 𝗏𝗏. So next to Kosan Road is a more, still crazy but not as crazy, Soi Rambutri. And this over here is where the monks all hang out. It's the temples and whatnot. And it's become famous for that reason. The street just wraps around the whole temple. And it's quite tame now compared to last time I was here. In the evening it seems to be a little more jumping than during the day.
Very cool. House music, shaded with natural light. Great colors, very whimsical art. So the thing that I like about Kosan Road is there's not many cars here. It's a walking area. You probably have heard me say those words before. I like parts of town where you just walk everywhere to restaurants, nightlife, shopping. And that's what Kosan Road's about. A few taxis try to come down here, people on scooters, but for the most part, it's all walking, so you're not trying to get around cars, you're not having to breathe smog and all that. Hello. And it's also it's very friendly to new Thai visitors because everyone in this area speaks some English. So anyway, it's a beautiful place. When's the last time you were walking to breakfast and this was the scenery? Pretty cool, huh? A 15-day festival right now around Thailand for vegetarians. Look for this sign. Sorry, it's 10 days. So it's a Chinese ceremony or holiday period where they eat only vegetarian, and just look for these yellow signs. That's the character. They got a bunch of veggie meat here we can try out. And she's cooking the noodles over here. So this is year-round vegetarian, so they're going to do a better job than most places that are just doing vegetarian for 10 days. So here's my dish. It's veggie meats and vegetables over rice, and Chung has veggie meats and vegetables over noodle.
It's noodle soup.
We don't know yet what it costs, but we don't care. We know it's going to be cheap.
Very good.
She's a food snatcher. You gotta watch your plate.
This one is very good.
Yeah, they're both really good. So this is a Chinese temple right across the street from where we just stayed. They're all celebrating the day vegetarian food festival period. Wow, this is a fun Chinese temple. I like the artwork is original looking, hasn't been all repainted. So it has all of the smoke from all the incense that's burned over probably 50 or 100 years.
This is a vegetarian noodle, and this is pork incense. Pork meat. Oh, it's fake one, okay?
All fake, yeah.
All fake. And this egg noodle, which is nice. Let me try the soup. The soup is very good.
Okay.
It's good.
Yeah, here's mine. It's the same, just different noodle. Yay! It's great being here at this time of year. Don't visit Kosan Road during the day. The sun should set before you show up there. It is a very chill place to walk in the cool evenings, but if you go during the day, you really won't understand why people love this area. Okay, best food near Kosan Road. Kosan Road is where you go in the evening to people watch and have a few beers. But for the best food near Kosan Road, we recommend you visit one of the places that Chung and I show you in this video, and we'll put links to all of them below. So, is Bangkok normal yet? The answer is no. Bangkok is not 100% back to normal. I would say that Bangkok is about 65 to 75% back to normal, not 100%. So I recommend you book your flight to Bangkok as quickly as you can so we can get Bangkok back to normal. The quicker Bangkok lovers return to Thailand, the quicker Bangkok gets back to 100%. Even though Bangkok is not yet back to normal, it's still more fun than 95% of the cities around the world. So book your trip and help us get Bangkok back to normal. Okay, Bangkok retired cheap report. We were last in Bangkok for the month of December of 2019. Our Bangkok, Thailand retired cheap report has our estimated cost of living, our favorite things to see and do, our favorite restaurants, and our retirement livability factors. The report will help you understand why Bangkok continues to be one of the favorite places to retire cheap in paradise. For more on that, just click the first link in the notes below this YouTube video. Thanks for reviewing our report. Is Bangkok back to normal yet? This is Dan of Vagabond Awake, the YouTube channel for vagabondbuddha.com. The world is your home. What time will you be home for dinner? Hey, if you liked our video, please like, comment, or subscribe. Any of that would help our business. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much.
Click the link in the notes below this video to get a copy of this content. Plus, grab a free copy of my ebook, How I Fired My Boss and Traveled the World for 13 Years. While you're there, check out our catalog of retired cheap reports all over the world and our hobby income course that we just released. Thanks so much.